Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you top crypto airdrops on Telegram, and they are really easy to join and earn some coins. Make sure to subscribe to this channel before we dive into, and also leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now the first one will be Hamster Combat, of course. You want to open it up. Hamster Combat launch date, listing date is September 26, as you can see here, and you will be able to withdraw it. That's pretty much it. It's really easy. You have a lot of tasks to complete. You have some games here, and of course inviting friends. Another one is cats. This one is also really popular, just like dogs. It's really similar to Hamster Combat, of course. You have daily tasks, some other tasks. By connecting your BitGet wallet, you also get some coins, and also by inviting friends you of course will get some coins. So that's pretty much it about cats. Another one would be Taun Market app. So Taun Market is also getting really popular, where you can just start farming and harvest your tomatoes and get the coins for it. You can also go ahead and upgrade yourself, and that's pretty much it. You also can complete some tasks, some standard, time limited, and so on and so forth, and also invite some friends. Another one is MemeFi, and this is also similar. You need to play some games, and there's a lot of tasks here. It's a little bit different. As you can see, just for watching some YouTube videos, you can go ahead and earn a lot of coins. And as you can see, there's like 80 of them. So you can go ahead and do that. And it's pretty easy here to earn some coins. Another one is Rocky Rabbit. On Rocky Rabbit, you can also get some coins by just tapping on the rabbit. You can earn by completing some daily tasks. And also there's a mining option where you can use your coins to get basically hourly income. As you can see, I have already upgraded. There's also some options to claim every 24 hours, and then you will be able to upgrade. There's also some tournaments, which you can just go ahead, pay and upgrade, and some Enigma, a game which differs every single day. Now another one is Goats. Again, really similar. You can connect your wallet here. You can earn some coins by retweeting, using basically Twitter, playing some mini games, as you can see, like flipping, catching, ditching, dicing, and spinning. And that's pretty much it about the Goats app. Now Bloom one is a little bit different because you can enter your nickname here. You can play a drop game, earn some tasks, earn some coins by completing these tasks, and there's quite a lot of those also. And you can also start farming, also invite friends, and connect your wallet. So that's pretty much it about Bloom. Another one is Ducks Tap, or just Ducks, and here you can go ahead and earn some ducks by again tapping on the duck itself, inviting friends, and get 5% of your friends' profit, and complete the tasks. So permanent tasks, everyday tasks, and playing some games too. Now another one is Taun Station. As you can see, the farming ends in 22 days, so you can go ahead and farm here some tauns. That's pretty much it about it. There's some quests which you can go ahead and be rewarded for. There's also a launcher where you can go ahead and play some games, roadmap, and some referrals. So you can do all of these on Taun Station. And the last one is X Empire. So this one is really inspired by AI. It takes a lot of time to load. Basically, you can join it. It's 18 days left for mining, and that's pretty much it on today's crypto airdrops, guys. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.